Creating custom job templates. Every company is different, whether because of the industry you work in or the stage of your business. Being able to tailor your job sheets and check sheets is critical. With Okappy, you've always been able to have your own job sheets and check sheets with the specific information that you require. You can now create those templates yourself with our template builder. Now, let's see how to create job templates with Okappy. On Okappy, a job template is made up of the following sections: header and footer, main details section, typically filled out by the office, and up to 3 check sheets, typically filled out by the engineer. First, let's create a job template. From within the jobs page, go to Job Options, select Job Sheet Templates, click New Template to enter the template builder. Enter a name for your template in the template name field. Now let's add a header to your template. Click Edit Header, add a field, insert text, and enter the details that you want to appear on the header. You can add different sizes of text, images, and spacer. Repeat for each field that you want to appear. You can also add a footer to your job template. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and edit the footer in the same way that you edited the header. Now let's add a job details section. The job details are typically filled out by the office. There are a number of fields which appear on all templates. These are the reference field, job ID, customer, appointment date, signature, and the date the job was completed. Additional information will often include site details, contact details, and the description of what is required. To add these fields, click Add Group, add a group title, go to Field Settings, choose what type of field you want. This could be a small, medium, or large text field or an address field. Different field types will map to different columns on the jobs dashboard. Enter a field name, for example, contact name, choose the field type, and select whether the field is mandatory or not. Check whether the field can be edited by your engineer on their mobile device. Repeat for each field that you want displayed on your job sheet. Add check sheets. You can add up to 3 check sheets per job, which appear at various stages of the job. The pre-job template is often used for risk assessment. If a pre-job template is included on the job, it will be shown as soon as the engineer clicks into the job details and has to be completed before they can go any further. The Work Done sheet is standard on all job types. If no Work Done sheet has been set, the following default field will be shown: materials used, materials cost, labour, and labour cost. It will show after the engineer has selected Clicked on Site and before he or she marks the job as complete. The end of job sheet is often used for customer feedback. If it has been included on the template, it will be shown after the engineer has clicked Complete Job. To add a pre-job sheet, open the pre-job drop-down, add a group, enter a title for the group of questions. Tick the checkbox to determine whether to show the title on the job. Go to the first field. Choose the field type. You can choose different field types, for example, a text field, a numeric field, or a rating field. Enter the question which will appear on the check sheet. Check whether you want the field to be mandatory or not, and repeat for each question. To add a Work Done sheet or end of job sheet, use the same steps we've talked about before. Once you're happy with your template, hit the Save Template button. You can also configure more options by clicking the Job Options button. You can, for example, set whether a signature is required before a job can be completed, or the standard duration of a job. This can be changed when you're adding your jobs. You can also set how many minutes before the red dot starts flashing on the jobs page if the job has not been viewed, or if the engineer is not on site after the appointment time, or if the job is not completed. You can also set whether the on-site time and completed time is shown on the job sheet. You should now be able to select the job template when adding jobs. You can see the fields that you added as part of the main body of the template. Once the job has been created, assign it to an engineer. They will see the details you've entered and will be asked to update the status of the job and fill in the check sheet. And that's how you create your custom job templates on Okappy.